Hello everyone, Arzu this side, and today we are going to learn about a new topic of live session. So today we are going to learn about a game. It's based on Save Your Fish. So of course we all know that our aquatic animals are not, saving their lives because of debris and particles, oil particles, and plastic bottles and these poly bags. So yeah, we are creating a game where our fish has to, like, we have to save our fish for from the body bags and from the plastic bags and the oil debris and some kind of stuff. So yeah, we are creating a game. For this game, what we need is, of course, it's based on aquatic animal game. So we want one aquatic animal. I will take fish because the game name is Save Your Fish. So of course I want to save my fish. So I will go to the animals and let's search for fish. You can scroll it down and you can even press in the search bar as fish. So let me search as fish, and yeah, I got my fish. So I will take my fish character. Then what I need is, I want some oil particles to be there so that my fish has to save. So I will come here and let's search in the library if I will find something. Otherwise, you can make oil particles. So I'm taking this cloud, okay, and I will just do some changes with this cloud sprite. And now I will scroll down more and I will take these kind of clouds as well. Okay, I guess that's fine. So if I go to cloud and if I go to the costumes, let me check. I actually want to fill the color. So basically this is pictoblocks.ai. You can search for pictoblocks.ai to open this. What I want is, I want to fill some black color in my cloud. I want to show it as a oil drop. So yeah, I will take this paint and I'm filling the color to the this color. I want it to be something grayish, so I will take this grayish color like this. Okay, that's fine, and I am filling it. So this is my one oil particle I made, and I will come to this cloud to let me select which one I will take. I will take this one. This is fine for me. So I'm filling colors. I'm just taking it and I will fill some brownish color to it. I will fill some other color also. So I will take a black color and I'm filling it like this. Okay, so I have two particles, and what I will do is I will setting up a size that is 20. Oh my god, 20 is very less. So let's make it 60. I'm making it as 60. And I will come here to the cloud, this one, and the size of this cloud, I'll make it as 70. Let's see. Okay, that's fine. So I have two particles here. One more thing I want is that a backdrop. So I want aquatic backdrop, of course. So let me search for underwater. Yeah, here I have. So I'm taking this backdrop as underwater. This is my fish, and one, two. What I want is, I will duplicate this sprite because I want to make two or three oil drop sprites, and yeah, so I'm doing the same thing. I made a duplicate of it, and what I will do is I will erase some part of it to make it more different than it is given. And yeah, that's fine. And I will make some drops also. So yeah, just wait. And okay, so I will create some drops, and I'm taking this color. So I will create drops like this and like this. And I will take some different color. So let me check. Let me take different color like this. Okay, that's fine. I'm making it like this, and I don't want any outline, so I will just remove the outline part. So yeah, I'm making it, and okay, that's cool. But don't you think that this drop has to be down? So what I'm going to do is I will select this complete picture, and I'm going to rotate it like this because I want to make it an actual drop, and I will erase this extra part. I don't want this part to be there. Okay, that's cool. So this is fine for me, and yeah, it works. So I will take this as here. What I want is I will go to the backdrop, and I will make a start point and finish point onto the backdrop. So I will take a text here, and I will select the color for the backdrop. So I'm taking the color. So here I will writing as a start point, and font I can change accordingly. So let's select this one. So I select this font, and this will be the start point for me. Okay, this is start, and I will write stop here. So this will be my stop point. So I will take this here, and I will write stop. Okay, so when I double click on it, then I can see something over here, and I will make it like this. Okay, this is my stop point. So what I want is that I want something that my fish has to look for, or my fish has to reach towards the stop point. So let's come on to the block section. My fish will start from this point. This is a start point. I will give this position to my fish. Let's start the coding part. So I will go to the events. I'm taking a when green flag click. Then of course I want to position my fish. So I will go to the motion, and I will go to X and Y block, because this is the initial position for my fish. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to control my fish for all the time. So I'm taking forever. Inside the forever, I will take four if conditional statements. So if conditional statements, I guess you all know. If you don't know, you can go to our previous sessions. I explained so well. There is a condition. If condition is true, some action is going to happen. If condition is false, nothing is going to happen. Okay. So I will go to the sensing part, and I'm taking if key press. So I'm taking key press block for 4 times, like for all the if conditional statements, I'm taking key press block. So here I'm taking if up arrow key pressed. Here I'm taking if down arrow key pressed, if right arrow key pressed, if left arrow key pressed, then what happens? So if up arrow key pressed, then of course you will change y by 10. When you're going up, it should be the positive change. Now, when you're moving down, of course, I will take y, because you know y is for vertical line. It's when you're moving up and down, you will take y. Okay, so that's why I'm taking this. So here I will take as minus, oh, okay, minus 10. And yeah, I will take when right key press, then of course for right X will be changed. Okay, for right and left. So I'm taking this X for right. So X is changed by like 10, and left it will be changing by minus 10. Okay, this is done. If I make it run, see what is happening. I can move my fish with the help of arrow keys. Like I have the arrow keys in my keyboard. So you can also try with yours. So you can move your fish left, right, up and down, okay, with the keys. Now, what the next thing is? The next thing is you have to save your fish with these oil drops. So suppose one is here and one is here. So I'm moving this one here. I'm just creating a gap, a proper gap. Okay, and one is here. That's cool, I guess. Yeah, that's fine. I will decrease the size of my fish a little bit. I will make it 70. Okay, that's cool. So what I'm going to do is I will go to cloud one, and cloud, I will give it a name as oil drop one. For second cloud, I will give it a name oil drop two. And for third one, I will give it a name as oil drop three. Oh, that's great. What I want is I will go to oil drop one. I will go to events, and I'm taking this when green flag clicked, and for all the time something is going to happen. What's that something? Your actually oil drop has to move like ting 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 all the time. What I'm going to do is that you will go to motion. When the game start, it should be at the position. Then it should take glide to the position, and then it will go up. And you are taking the glide block again. If I make it start, see what is happening. The oil drop is moving like this. Now I will stop this. I will go to oil drop 2. What is happening? I will go to the event again. When the game start, I want the oil drop position should be this one only. I'm taking the position. After giving the position, I will go to controls, and I'm taking forever. Inside the forever, I will take the same block, the glide block. Where are you? Yes, here it is. So the glide block and this glide, I want it should move like this, like this, like this, like this. So I'm moving it, yo, and here we go. If I start, see, to do, to do, to do, to do. Okay, now what I want next is this oil drop. So I will go to events. I will take this one, green flag clicked, and I will go to the motions, and I will take this go to X and Y block. After this, I will go to controls, and I will take forever. Now what I want is it should move up, down, up, down. So, okay, I will go to motion. I will take glide, then I will take more up. I will take glide again. If I start, see, I have to save my fish from these oil drops, and I'm reaching to the stop point. But what if my fish touches these oil drops? Then what will happen, right? This is what I have to make. I will do one thing. I want to take some stop point. Suppose when my fish touches this thing, then something is going to happen. So I'm taking this treasure, and here it is. Okay, what I want is when my fish reaches to the stone, the costume will change, the treasure will come, and my fish seems to be happy. Okay, this I also want. This is an additional factor. Okay, so of course, what I want is I will go to events. I will take when green flag click. The position of the treasure must be this only. And if I go to costumes, I have a treasure costume like this and this. Okay, I want this for that thing. So initial costume should be rock only. What I want is I will go to the looks, and I will take switch costume block, and the switch costume block will be the rock. Okay, now I will go to control. I will take forever, and I will take if conditional statement. What I want is that if touching fish, then I will go to sounds first of all. So I will select one sound. Let me check. I think I did not share with the sound. Yeah, I guess I have shared with the sound. Okay, I will share again so that you can hear the sound which I have selected. Yeah, Here we go. So I want some sound. So I will go to sound library, and here I have some sounds. Um, oh, this is alert sound. Oh yeah, when I got the treasure. No, 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 no. It's not like that. Oh my god. No. Acha, okay, let me check with the notes. Hmm. No. Acha, I will go for okay, I will take this sound. Movie to sound. Okay. Because this is the end and end must be like a movie. So yeah, I'm taking this and I will go to here. So I will go to sound and I will take start sound. That will be the movie sound. And what I want here is that it will switch the backdrop. So I will go to looks and I will take this switch backdrop block. But I need to change the backdrop, means which backdrop I should take. I will take this backdrop. Okay. No, but it's not related to the water. My fish has to be inside the water. Yes, Jurassic can I take? Mm, no. Let me take underwater this one. Yeah, this one I will take. Okay. So it will be underwater 2. Yeah, let me check with the backdrops. I will go to the backdrops because I'm not very much sure about the name. So yeah, it's underwater 2 and initially it should be underwater 1. So when I go to the fish, like when I start with the game, you will start from the fish and your backdrop must be underwater 1. Okay. So yeah, let's see how many of you have done with the code part. Okay, please continue with the code part. Okay, so let's assume it. You all have done this much. So let's go to the treasure part again. And Yeah, okay. So I'm sharing my screen again, everybody. Okay. So what I want is that when it touches to this, this thing, a treasure, my treasure has to be like, this has to be changed. So let me take this switch costume, actually we will take. Okay, so I will take box open, and here, yeah, I want the costume should be box open, and this sound has to be come. And what happened when this fish touches oil drops? So I will take condition for fish also, like if I will go to sensing, I will take this block, and here I will take touching fish. So if this is touching the fish, then what will happen? Then everything will stop in the game. So I will go to controls, and I will take stop all. Okay, the same thing I will do for all three. Like if it happens, then everything will stop. So I'm taking this touching, and if it touches a fish, then it will be stop all. Then again we will come here, and we will take if we'll go to sensing. If I'm taking this touching and fish, then everything will stop. Yay. Now let's run our game. Our game is ready, and let's play this game. So everybody please check with the code. Everything is correct, like a fish code, oil drop, and everything. And yeah, let's make it run. So I just want to move my fish. Okay, come on, come on, come on, come on. Don't touch, don't touch, don't touch, don't. And here, my fish reaches to the end point, and the sound is here, and everything will stop. See, yeah, that's great. And the backdrop is also changed. So if my fish touches in between, suppose it starts the game, and I will stop it. I start the game. When it touches, the oil drops, then see, if I everything will stop. Yeah, so that's what the game is, and you can easily make it. It's very easy to make. You can add some more features to it, some sounds to it. You can add more animals to it at place of these kind of thing. You can select water bottle, you can upload the picture, you can take poly bag, you can take oil debris, you can upload it as well. So when you go here now, you will find some upload options here also. So you can upload your sprite also. You can make it more interesting. So let's make it, and let us know about it. Like how much have you done and what have you done? Send us the pictures on Instagram with us. And yeah, we'll meet you in the next live session. Till then, bye bye.